Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shahbaz. The topic for my today's video is inviolability of dignity of man, which is under Article 14. Article 14 of the Constitution of Pakistan guarantees the inviolability of dignity of man. It states that the dignity of man and subject to law, the privacy of whom shall be inviolable. Uh, Now let's talk about the breaches of this article. However, there have been numerous breaches of these fundamental rights in Pakistan. One of the major breaches of inviolability of dignity of man in Pakistan is the prevalence of torture and ill treatment by law enforcement agencies. There have been numerous reports of extrajudicial killings, forced disappearance, and torture of individuals in custody. This not only violates the dignity of the victims but also undermines the rule of law and credibility of criminal justice system. The second most important breach of this article is discrimination and violence against marginalized communities such as religious minorities, women, and LGBTQ individuals. Hate speech, mob violence, and discriminatory law have resulted in the violation of their dignity and basic human rights. Now let's talk about the solutions of these breaches. To address these breaches and uphold the inviolability of dignity of man in Pakistan, the following measures can be taken. Number one, strengthening accountability mechanisms. There is a need to hold accountable those responsible for human rights abuse, uh, uh, including law enforcement officials and members of judiciary. Number two, reforming laws and policies. The government should review and amend laws and policies that are discriminatory or violate human rights. This includes repealing laws that target marginalized communities and enacting legislation to protect the right and dignity of the individuals. Number three, promoting awareness and education. There is a need to raise the awareness about human rights and the inviolability of dignity among the general public, law enforcement officials, and members of the judiciary. The education and training on human rights can help prevent violations and promote a culture respect for dignity. Thank you.